Hey guys, it's Neishays, and today I'm doing a jumbo braid ponytail. Okay, now that I got my hair as slick as possible, I'm going to use my scarf to make it more slick down. Now that I got the ponytail over my bun, I will be braiding the hair all the way down. Now that I'm done, I will be making the top more bigger to go over the top of my bun, just like that. Now that I got the braid over the top of my bun, I will be bobby pinning it down. that I did my edges, I'm going to be putting the scarf to lay it down. Now with this strand of hair, I'm going to be putting it around the braid for it to have a more natural look.
Got a colorful aura, like I got neon guts. Yeah. And I got a colorful aura, like I got neon guts. Admitted I move like amoeba. Yeah. I float in the room like I'm reefer. Yeah. Alien, I'm not your kind of people. Yeah. Telepathic fan, watch how I read you. Boy, you ain't got emeralds greener. Nah. You ain't got Richard the Sleevey. No sir. And I got a rose that's in the grove that I ain't drove. I don't know the reason. 3 or 5. Underlay, revive. Hola. Me and J Babbin on G5. Chola. Success is a drug, hey man, we high. I am mother is a beehive. Yeah. I got love for you haters. Yeah. Ain't you tired of enslaving? Huh? Come with us, make some paper. Yeah. Cause you should own what you label.
Yeah, you never stayed in Kahlua. I put Chanel on my shooter. Flooded my chain and it Gucci. I don't want that girl, she moody. I'm basically saying I'm cooler. Get DR discounts from my cougar. Back in the 6th grade, I got them bad grades. I was in love with my tutor. See, musically lows, you trapping, man. Most of you rappers be actors, man. Go MIA when I find little Madison. Stay at the Ritz-Carlton, this not the Radisson. Just took a blue one, about to take the red pill. Purple thoughts in my brain, hope it don't spill. Stay with a nerd, you like Urkel Jalil. Fresh is like Carlton, I kill him but will. Big R on my Smiths, big R on my whips. Slip on shoes so you won't trip. Say she kinda fine and she got some hips. Mama said, let me see the witch. Boy, you know, light and dark don't mix. Mix it up, boy, bad luck. Sick to my stomach with them neon guts.
Higher than Elon Musk. So high stars eat all dust. And I got a colorful aura, like I got neon guts. Dark energy we don't touch. All jewelry's beyond tut. And they give a colorful aura, like I got neon guts.
Higher than Elon Musk. So high stars eat our dust. And I got a colorful aura, like I got neon guts. Dark energies we don't touch. Our jewelry's beyond tut. And I got a colorful aura, like I got neon.
Yeah, fam, Pharrell on Mars with my fellow star. I'm like lightning striking in a metal rod. I say hello God in the double bars. So damn it, MX, I got a yellow card.
Yellow card, yellow card. Damn P, I need a yellow card.
Okay, I'm looking a lot in the mirror, and it's because I'm trying to make sure everything looks perfect. So sorry if I'm not looking directly in the camera.
Since the 8th grade, I had hella broads, hella bras, hella bras. Yellow painting with a yellow broad. Came from cars, probably March. Slick my hair back like I'm Chico DeBarge. I got some lights on my chest, don't confuse it with a heart. Heard things ain't looking too good for you. Had to pull some strings like I played a harp.
Okay guys, this is my finished look. I hope you guys like. Give this video a thumbs up. Also comment and subscribe.
So high stars eat all dust. And I got a colorful aura, like I got neon guts. Dark energy we don't touch. All jewelry's beyond touch. And they giving colorful aura, like I got neon guts.
Higher than Elon Musk. So high stars eat our dust. And I got a colorful aura, like I got neon guts. Dark energies we don't touch. Our jewelry's beyond touch. And I got a colorful aura, like I got neon guts.